Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dhruv Savarkar and today is the 28th day of my posting videos on YouTube. So today we will be discussing about one of the most important thing in life. Okay, that is self-awareness. So why self-awareness is important? Why does it even matter to us? Okay, how self-awareness helps us in developing our own personality, how self-awareness helps us in uh, achieving success. We all will be discussing in this video. Okay, so let's start the video. And the very first thing I wanted to tell in this video is basically what is meant by self-awareness. Self-awareness is simply means uh, you know everything about yourself. Okay, that is what self-awareness means. You know everything about yourselves, your bad traits, your good traits, your positive side, your negative side, everything. Okay, what are your hobbies? Everything. You know everything about yourself. How is your nature? How you treat people? Okay, how you how you behave, how you behave in crowd, how you behave in alone when you live alone. Okay, how do you live? Do you like to live alone? Do you like to live with a group of people or others? So this all includes, okay, these all things are included in self awareness. If you know about yourself, okay, then it's become easy to develop your personality, then it's become easy to achieve success in life. I will tell you why. So as I said, I have already told you what is meant by self-awareness. Now I will tell you how to do this self-awareness. Okay, I mean, how to know about yourself. You know you are Dhruv, yeah. Everyone in the first, everyone is confident about themselves, that tell me about yourself. Yeah, I know everything about myself. Anyone asks this question, uh, everyone says that yeah, I know everything about myself. But in interviews, when the interviewer asked to us, okay, asked to the candidate that tell me about your three best qualities, tell me about your three worst qualities, what are your weaknesses, okay, what are your strength. We just we can't able to speak anything. Okay, because we are blank at that time, we don't know about ourselves. Still we prefer to say to others that yeah, I know everything about myself. That is just overconfidence. Maybe I will not say overconfidence, but that is just uh, lack of awareness. Okay, lack of self awareness. That's why it is important to become self aware about yourself. Okay, because this self awareness, okay, this self awareness will help you in your professional life and even in your personal life. Okay, so how to do this self awareness? First of all, just observe your habits. That's the easiest way to do uh, self awareness. Okay, observe your habits, observe your good habits, observe your behavior. Okay, what mistakes do you repeat every day in your daily life? Okay, what are your bad traits, what are your good traits? Okay, from which thing you fear? Okay, just observe all these things, and whenever you realize, yeah, that's what I behave, that's how I behave, that's how that is my favorite hobby. Yeah, if you realize, just note it down in any book. Okay, after note it down, you can then just review it. Okay, or you can also review it daily. but you don't need to review it daily. It depends on you. Okay, if you have a mood to review it, you can review it. Okay, so after noting it down, it will become easy to implement any, for example, now you know about yourself. Okay, you have realized your all the things about yourself. Okay, you have observed everything about yourself. You have noted down every single thing about yourself in a book. Now after noting it down, it becomes easy to develop yourself. Okay, then so this developments includes everything, even your personality development. Okay, so you can develop your personality. Okay, after you are self aware about yourself, and this development journey becomes easy after your self awareness. Okay, somehow you are making plans related to your personality development. Just how, for example, I am currently learning English. Okay, and why I'm doing this, why I'm putting efforts daily. Okay, because somehow I feel I need to improve my personality. That's how I'm improving my English communication. Okay, because somehow this will benefit me in my future. Okay, somehow this will benefit me in my personal life, profession, not aware about personal life, but yes, it will surely definitely benefit me in my professional life. Okay, so just how I am doing my personality development, and even I can do academic development. Okay, in my life after doing the self awareness thing. So you just have to do self awareness, that's it. Okay, just note it down, your observable things about yourself, note it down, and make a schedule, make a plan, and then just start implementing things. So uh, whatever you have noted down, how that things will help you in your development journey, I will tell you about it now. Okay, so whenever you are going to make a lot of mistakes during your development journey. Okay, now this from according to me, according development means it includes everything. Okay, even it's academic development or personality development, like the way I am doing right now. Okay, so while doing development, you will tend to make a lot of mistakes. Okay, you will do a lot of mistakes, but you can avoid that mistakes. Okay, just because you have now noted down all your behaviors, all your habits, all your bad habits, all your good habits, everything about yourself. So now you are aware about yourselves, and you are aware about yourself, and now you can warn yourself that yes, Dhruv, you don't have to do that, because it will distract me from my development journey. That's how this self awareness thing will help you in your development journey. And the same thing I am doing right now. Okay, I have I have done my, you can say, the best level of my self introspection. Okay, self introspection is also another word for self okay, self introspection basically means just to know about yourself fully, everything about yourself. Okay, so I have done my self introspection at a very best level. Okay, that's how currently I am doing my development. Okay, personality development, and whatever things that I have noted down during my self awareness journey, I am I am using those things. Okay, or you can say reading those things, just to get myself aware that yes, I have to avoid all these things during my development journey. Now because that noted down things also include my bad habits, and while during my development journey I can repeat my mistakes, I can maybe start my bad habits again, just like masturbation. I do masturbation, I know. Okay, so that is something, one of my bad habits, so I have just noted down. Okay, for example, I have just noted down, and now I am making sure that during my development journey I will not repeat that mistake again. Okay, and also I am now taking steps related to it. Okay, I will soon share you regarding my that habit, that how many days of streak and how many days of consistency I have maintained while not doing masturbation. Okay, because this is something that is related to me, because yes, you know, that habit somehow affects your mental health, somehow affects your personality a lot. Okay, it also affects your confidence. That's why I'm saying note it down things, because those things, whatever things that you have noted down, those things will help you while you were working on your development. Okay, you will avoid your mistakes. Okay, yeah, and after noted down also the best review, if you want the so for example, if you don't feel that if you feel that just doing self introspection by yourself is not sufficient, okay, then you can also ask to your close friends, because the best review about yourself, okay, can give only by the people who are very close to you. Okay, who live very close to your heart. Okay, and these people are like your family friends. Okay, so you can also ask them, but sometimes it makes them feel, or even us feels awkward, that we are just asking about ourselves, that hey, tell me about myself, how I am, how my personality is. That feels awkward, na? That's why I am saying that just don't ask them directly, you can ask them indirectly. Okay, and of course they will tell you about yourself, and just note it down those things. Okay, that habit, whatever, that can be anything. Okay, even they tell you about your one of the worst habit, so you can even note it down, that thing. Okay, so this is how you do your self awareness. Okay, because somehow it will not just somehow, but it will help you a lot in your while you are working on your development. Okay, for me development means everything: academic development and personality development. Okay, currently I am doing my personality development, and also academic development is also my important step. Okay, that I will be that I am taking right now. Okay, and yeah, as I said, if you want to know about yourself, uh, just take a review from the people who are very close to you, because the people who lives around you, okay, all the time, only they know the best about you, only they know the best thing about you, only they know the worst about you. Okay, and after knowing all the things from them, just note it down. Okay, after noting down, start working on the things. If you found on your notes you have a lot of bad habits, try to uh, try to change your bad habits into your good habits. For example, if you do a lot of masturbation, this advice is especially for boys. If you do a lot of masturbation, okay, so yeah, that is considered as a bad habit. Then you can change your that bad habit into a good habit by not doing it, by avoiding that. And that's what I am currently doing, because I know somehow that habit will affect me a lot. Okay, that's why I am avoiding that habit. Okay, and also I will give future updates regarding that habit for sure, because that is something I need to remove from my personality. Yeah, that's habit. It's just stick to my personality. I don't know why. Okay, maybe because of myself only. So yes, that's all for the today's video, guys. I have tell you everything about in this video. What is meant by self-awareness, how you can do the self-awareness, after doing self-awareness, what to do. Okay, everything I have discussed in this video. So thank you for watching my video. Keep learning, keep growing.